Cheers. Yeah, I took 2 sips. Again, it's 2:30. My taste buds are on siesta. They have to be woke. Well, they're woke now. Let's go in for a nosedive. Well, I'm getting a little mango there, that's for sure. A little peach. Interesting. Mango and peach. Well, I say it was going to be a fruity beer. Let's see if the taste buds agree. That is a full-bodied beer, that's for sure. But it's certainly got the alcohol content. Yeah. But the flavors there's mango, and I'm getting a little pineapple, and some peach. Yeah. The thing that makes this interesting is it is nicely balanced. The hops are just kind of coming along. Each one has its own note. They're not individual notes, but they blend together, and it's a nice tune. I tell you, that's what that is. All right, well, nice body, well balanced, a nice symphony of the hops there. I'm gonna give this a 4.5. I really do. I think this is a good one. All right. Well, if you enjoyed this presentation, please click on the subscribe button and the bell. That way you won't miss any of our presentations. A thumbs up would be great. Share us with your friends, and a comment would be really appreciated. I'm the Old Growler, hoping all of your beers meet expectations.